Most people are wasting hours sending cold emails that never get opened, and the few that do, they're ignored. Why? Because they're doing it all manually, writing, following up, scraping leads, guessing what works. But what if an AI agent could do it all for you? I'm talking finding leads, writing the perfect message, send it, follow up, and book the meeting without you lifting a finger. That's exactly what B2BRocket does. This tool gives you unlimited AI agents that don't just help, they actually do the job. These agents find leads, write personalized emails, follow up, and even book meetings for you. It's not a CRM, not just an automation. It's actual execution. They use over 4 billion data points and a 600 million contact database to find your ideal prospects, and then they reach out across email, LinkedIn, and SMS. And the best part, it's unlimited. Unlimited sending, unlimited agents, even on the entry plan, just limited contacts. You also get deep analytics, inbox warm-up, blacklist monitoring, and email placement tests, all built in. It's like hiring a full outbound sales team without the overhead. If you're serious about getting clients with cold email, this is the shortcut. But sending emails is only half the battle. Closing deals, that's where the most people fall flat. If you want to see how to actually convert leads into paying customers, watch this next.